51 facts about Mahatma Gandhi. Who is our father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. When was M.K. Gandhi born? 1886, October 2nd. Who were the parents of Gandhi? Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai were the parents of Gandhi. Where was Gandhi born? Gandhi was born in Pobandar in the state of Gujarat. What was his childhood name? His childhood name was Manu and Monia. Who was the spouse of Gandhi? Kasturba was the spouse of Gandhi. What was Gandhi's age when he got married to Kasturba? 13. Who was Gandhi's spiritual mentor? Leo Tolstoy was Gandhi's spiritual mentor. Who gave Gandhi the title Mahatma? Rabindranath Tagore gave Gandhi the title Mahatma. Where did Gandhi started Satyagraha? Gandhi started Satyagraha in Champaran district of Bihar. Why did Gandhi go to South Africa? Gandhi went to South Africa to practice as a lawyer. When did Gandhi return from South Africa? Gandhi returned from South Africa in the year 1915. Where did Gandhi establish Sabarmati Ashram? Gandhi established Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Who was Gandhi's political mentor? Gopalakrishna Gokhale was considered as Gandhi's political mentor. Who called Gandhi half-naked fakir? Answer: Winston Churchill. Who called Gandhi father of the nation? Subhash Chandra Bose called Gandhi father of the nation. Which was the only roundtable conference attended by Gandhi? Gandhi attended only the second roundtable conference held in 1931 and signed Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Name the children of Gandhi. Their name was Harilal Gandhi, Ramdas Gandhi, Manilal Gandhi and Devadas Gandhi. Which is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer: My Experiments with Truth. In which language did Gandhi write his autobiography? Answer: in Gujarati language. When did Gandhi start Dandi March? Gandhi started Dandi March on 12th March 1930. During Dandi March, Gandhi covered how many kilometers by foot? In Dandi March, Gandhi covered 388 kilometers by foot. How many volunteers followed Gandhi in Dandi March? Apart from Gandhi, 78 volunteers participated in Dandi March. Which was the only Congress session presided by Mahatma Gandhi? 1924 Belgaum session. In which name Gandhi was popular among children? Answer is Bapuji. Who is known as Kerala Gandhi? K. Kelappan, who led Salt Satyagraha in Kerala. Who is popular as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is well known in the name Frontier Gandhi. Who is known as Bihar Gandhi? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is popular as African Gandhi? The answer is Nelson Mandela. Who compared Gandhi's Dandi March with Napoleon's journey from Elba to Paris? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who donated their ornaments when Gandhi visited Vadagara? The answer is Kaumudi teacher. When did Gandhi launch Quit India movement? Quit India movement was started on August 8, 1942. The slogan raised by Gandhi in Quit India movement. The slogan was Do or Die. What is the symbol of Swachh Bharat mission? Gandhi's spectacle. The education plan put forward by Gandhi in 1937. Answer: Wardha Education Plan. Who directed the famous Gandhi film? Richard Attenborough. Who acted the role of Gandhi in the film Gandhi? Ben Kingsley. Who led the Salt Satyagraha with Gandhi? Sarojini Naidu. Which incident forced Gandhi to withdraw non-cooperation movement? Chauri Chaura incident. When was Gandhi's first imprisonment? Gandhi's first imprisonment was there in Johannesburg in 1908, South Africa. Whose birthday is celebrated along with Gandhi on October 2nd? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Gandhi's cremation place is known as Rajghat. Gandhian era in Indian politics 1915 to 1948. How many days Gandhi lived in independent India? 178 days. What was called post-dated check by Gandhi? Cripps Mission 1942. International Day on Non-Violence is observed on which date? October 2nd. The first recipient of International Gandhi Peace Prize? Julius Nyerere. On which day Gandhi's assassination took place? Friday. Who assassinated Gandhi? Nathuram Godse. On which date Gandhi's assassination took place? 1948, January 30. January 30th is observed as Martyrs' Day.
Thank you for watching this video.